Did you know 2 small seeds can significantly boost your health in various ways? Chia seeds and flax seeds are nutritional powerhouses packed with essential nutrients. Don't be fooled by their size. These tiny seeds are incredibly potent. These tiny seeds are full of good things for your body, including fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants. We'll compare chia seeds and flax seeds to see which one suits your needs best. You'll learn about their numerous benefits, from heart health to digestive support. We'll see how to eat them in various delicious ways. By the end, you'll know which seed is right for you and how to incorporate them into your diet. Stay tuned for a special tip later on how to maximize their benefits. It's all about getting the most out of these amazing seeds for a healthier you. Both chia seeds and flax seeds are packed with nutrients. They are high in fiber. They have omega-3 fatty acids. They are a good source of protein, but they have different amounts of each nutrient. This means they have different effects on your body. Let's look closer at what makes each seed special. Chia seeds are tiny black seeds. They come from a flowering plant in the mint family. They are full of fiber. This helps you feel full and keeps your digestion regular. Chia seeds are also rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These are good for your heart and brain. Chia seeds are also a good source of protein and antioxidants. Flax seeds are small, brown, or golden seeds. They come from the flax plant. They are very high in fiber, even more than chia seeds. They are also an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly a type called ALA. Flax seeds contain lignans, which may have antioxidant benefits. Section 5. Health Benefits, a side-by-side comparison. In this section, we will explore the various health benefits of chia seeds and flax seeds, comparing them side by side to help you make an informed choice. Both chia seeds and flax seeds can significantly improve your health. They are packed with essential nutrients that can benefit your body in multiple ways. They can help with weight management because they are high in fiber. The high fiber content helps in keeping you full for longer periods, reducing the urge to snack. The fiber makes you feel full, which can aid in weight loss. Additionally, they can lower cholesterol levels, promoting heart health. This is because of their omega-3s and fiber content. Omega-3 fatty acids are known for their anti-inflammatory properties and overall health benefits. They can also help control blood sugar levels, making them an excellent choice for those looking to manage their blood sugar. This is particularly helpful for people with diabetes, as maintaining stable blood sugar levels is crucial for their health. Remember, it's important to drink plenty of water when eating chia seeds or flax seeds. The water helps the seeds expand and aids in digestion. This helps them move through your digestive system more efficiently, preventing any potential digestive issues, and ensuring you get the maximum benefits from these superfoods. Section 6. Adding chia seeds to your diet. Chia seeds are easy to add to your diet. They have a mild flavor. You can sprinkle them on salads. You can mix them into yogurt. You can even add them to smoothies. A fun fact, chia seeds absorb liquid and form a gel. This makes them a great addition to puddings and overnight oats. Section 7. Incorporating flax seeds into your meals. Flax seeds have a nutty flavor. You can buy them whole or ground. Ground flax seed is easier to digest. Sprinkle flax seeds on cereal. Add them to baked goods. You can even mix them into ground meat for burgers. Section 8. Which seed is right for you? So, which seed is better for your diet and lifestyle? It depends on your specific needs and preferences. Need more fiber in your diet? Choose flax seeds as they are packed with fiber. Want a seed with a mild flavor and versatility? Chia seeds are a good choice. Both seeds are healthy additions to your diet, offering unique benefits. Experiment with both and see what you like best. You might find a new favorite. Share your favorite ways to eat chia seeds and flax seeds in the comments below. We'd love to hear your ideas.